Hello viewers, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Today's video will be showing us how to buy the BilliCat coin on Pancakeswap with our Trust Wallet app. So for this video, we're making use of two different applications, and that will be the Trust Wallet app and the Dex Screener app. As we proceed in this video, you'd see why. So ensure to download these two apps if you don't have them on your device. You can go ahead to the Play Store or App Store and get these apps downloaded. So what we need to do next is to tap on the Trust Wallet app once it has been downloaded, and then you set up your app accordingly. Ensure to save your seed phrase. Ensure to write it down and keep it in a safe place so that you would not lose your wallet. Alright, so once your app has been all set up, all you need to do is to fund your wallet. So we'll be funding our wallet with some BNB. And to do this, simply tap on the BNB token, tap on receive, and then you'll be presented with your address, right? So you need to then move some funds from a centralized exchange like Binance or KuCoin or Gate.io, wherever you have your BNB tokens on. You need to then send some BNB tokens from that centralized exchange into your wallet, and be sure to select the right network. The network is BNB Smart Chain. All right, so once that's done and your wallet has been credited, what we need to do now is to head over to the in-app browser, and you'll be seeing the icon at the bottom right. Okay, so once you just tap on browser and then you scroll to where we have Pancakeswap, then you tap on Pancakeswap. So we'll wait for this interface to load up and ensure that the interface that's loading up, the URL is correct, and that is the pancakeswap.finance. Alright, so once the pancakeswap.finance interface is up, we have the swap section. So rest assured to confirm that your wallet is connected. Okay, so if your wallet is not connected, you can connect it where we have this wallet icon over here, and then where we have this Ethereum icon, we be sure to change it to BNB chain. The reason is because BilliCat coin is built on the Binance Smart Chain network. Alright, so once you change it to the BNB chain, you then be seeing your BNB balance. Okay, and now let's go ahead to proceed with the purchase. So where we have cake, we need to then insert the BilliCat contract address. And to do this, we head over to our Dex Screener app. Okay, alright, so once you open up your Dex Screener app and you search for BilliCat, alright, then you'd be seeing the different stats of the token, the price, the market cap liquidity, the price action, increase and decrease, the past 1 hour, 6 hours, 24 hours. So we need to just scroll down to where we have the contract address, right? So we copy the contract address in front of the BCat. Alright, please be sure to copy the BCat contract address. Then we head over to our Trust Wallet app, and then we paste this contract address where we have cake. Just tap on it, then the paste the contract address. Be sure to import the token and check the I understand, and then continue with the transaction. So once you've done this, then we need to impute the quantity of BNB that we want to spend for this transaction, and I'll be spending about $1.56 worth of BNB. However, if you want to use your entire BNB, you can tap on max, but be sure to leave a few units left for the network fee. So you could just tap on 75% or 50% or 25%, depending on the amount you want to spend. Alright, so let's continue with this transaction. So for the amount I want to spend, that's about 0.005 BNB, I'll be getting about 155 tokens. That is of the BCat token. So we can just tap on swap now, and then we confirm swap. Alright, so let's see the transaction proceeded in the wallet, and saying unknown error, execution reverted. Try increasing your slippage tolerance. Alright, so let's head back to Dex Screener. Okay, so once we head back to Dex Screener, where we have the Go Plus security, you can just see that you need to just tap on the arrow so that it comes down, right? If your arrow wasn't down, like if the drop down didn't come down before, if yours was like this, all you need to do is just tap on the drop down and then it comes down. Then you see the buy tax of 5%, right? So let's try 5%, because sometimes you need to increase what has been given, that is the 5%. But let's see if 5% goes through. If it doesn't go through, we need to increase it. So let's swap with a 5% buy tax and see if it goes through. Alright, so it's confirming the swap now. Alright, so let's wait for this transaction to proceed. Okay, so it didn't go through. So you keep increasing your slippage tolerance by 1%. Maybe you try 6, 7, 8. But for this transaction, I just want to go straight to try the 8% and see if it goes through. Okay, so with the 8% buy tax, let's see if this transaction will be confirmed. Alright, so we'll wait for this transaction to get confirmed. Okay, so it's going through now. Alright, so we just tap on approve and then we go ahead to see that the transaction has been submitted. Right, so once the transaction is submitted, you can then add BilliCat to your wallet. Instead of, if you don't want to import manually, you could just do this automatically and then you enable BilliCat in your Trust wallet. So we can head back to our home page now and we'll see that our BilliCat tokens has been purchased. So we just need to refresh this. Okay, once we refresh this, we see that our BilliCat token has been purchased and the token that we bought at about 147 token quantity is now in our wallet. Be rest assured to understand that the dollar equivalent isn't yet integrated in the Trust Wallet app. So if you cannot see the dollar value, do not be bothered about this. It will integrate later on. So once you can see the quantity purchased, then be rest assured that your transaction has been successful. So if you want to also check on all their social activities, ensure to go to their Twitter page, right? And then you search for BilliCat Coin and see the progress, the information, the marketing that the project is doing. So always try to have some form of information about every project that you're into to see how the project is doing and how interactive the project is. So you can check their Twitter handle, check their Telegram. You can always tap on their website and go through their other social sites and their socials. So this is the process on how you can buy your BilliCat tokens. If you do have any questions, rest assured to put a comment in the comment section and someone will be available to attend to you. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification bell for more educative videos like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.